Hi everyone, Liz here. Thanks for stopping by. So we have an extra special video today. Yay, it contains a giveaway. Woo, we like giveaways. Okay, so these two canvases came to me from NewCraftDay.com. I actually got them last December. They were both under £4 each, so I think they're wonderful. My unboxings for them will be in the New Craft Day playlist if you go and check that out if you want more information on them. But I have completed them both, ready for this Christmas. Lots of gems left over, lots of specials, so lots of specials to put away. But yeah, I just think they're absolutely gorgeous. But New Craft Day contacted me and said, would I like to take part in a Black Friday giveaway? And I said, well, yes, of course. Subscribers will absolutely love that. Yay! We like these little giveaways. So they have offered me 3 $10 gift cards. No threshold as prize and no minimum spend. So 3 gift cards, 1 per winner and 3 winners. Yay, and there's no expiry date on it either, so that's wonderful. The only thing you have to do is make sure you are subscribed to LizHarrison-Scottiedogcrafts. You can do that by subscribing, pressing on that subscribe button there. It doesn't cost anything, it's no tricks. I'm not going to send you hundreds of spam emails or anything. It is just literally, it boosts the channel. It gets me more likes, more watches, and I do get a little bit of revenue from advertising for however much people watch my channel, and subscribers and things like that. Any money that I do get does go back into the channel, so it all adds to the fun. We do giveaways and things throughout the year, but this giveaway, as I say, is from NewCraftDay.com, and thank you very much, NewCraftDay. It's wonderful of you to offer it to us. You will also need to be registered with NewCraftDay.com as well, because they will send the winners the gift card to the email address that you are registered with on newcraftday.com. So do make sure you go and check that out. I will put the link down below so that you can go and register with New Craft Day as well. All that means is that they'll send you emails with all their special offers on and things. And to be honest, I like receiving the emails because it tells you all the new things that are coming up and all the special offers and things that are on. So you don't have to wait for me to do a video or an unboxing or anything on their products. You'll get to see what the special offers are first, and there are some really good special offers. So what shall we do? I think the best thing to do then, comment on this video. So from when it goes live tonight, comment #NewCraftDay. Doesn't matter about capital letters or anything, just make sure it's #NewCraftDay. Pop it in the comments down below. On Thursday evening, I'll close it late, midnight on Thursday evening British time, and collate all the entries, and on Friday I will do the announcement of the winner. So yay, I'll probably get hubby to draw it before he goes to his dialysis, do a quick video, and then once those winners have contacted me with their email addresses, so you will have to send me your email address as well. Please don't put your email address in the comments. Either send me a message on Facebook, a message on Instagram, or an email with your email address, but wait until your name has been read out. So you'll need to be looking out on Friday, because I would like to, if possible on Friday, send New Craft Day your email address so they can get you your gift card out as soon as possible. And then any Black Friday deals that they have on, you will be able to get your gift voucher. So yeah, isn't that exciting? I just love that. I think that's really, really nice of them. So it's helping promote my channel by giving me a giveaway, and it's also getting them hopefully extra customers as well, which is what it's all about. Yay! I do actually have a discount code for New Craft Day as well. It is Liz10 to get a 10% discount off. Don't show it at a jaunty angle, Liz. Try showing it correctly. So yay! All good fun. As I say, this is only a short video because I really want to get this up as soon as possible to give everybody as much chance of seeing it. So I need your entries in the comments down below, #NewCraftDay, and I will close the draw at midnight on Thursday. I'll put them all the people that have put that in a hat, and then we'll do that draw on on Friday morning. So yay, it will actually be Black Friday that day as well. Yeah, it will close on Thanksgiving Day at midnight, and then we'll do the draw on Friday. Wow, that's wonderful. So happy Thanksgiving to all our American friends for Thursday. I know that's a big celebration for you guys over there. We don't have Thanksgiving here in the UK. We have Christmas, which is why I get so excited about Christmas. I'm sure if we had Thanksgiving, I would also be excited about that, because I know you put your Christmas decorations and things up as well. So yay. Okay, well, as I say, just a quick video just to recap. It is open to everybody worldwide, because they will actually email you the code of your gift card for you to spend on their website. So as I say, you just need to be subscribed to LizHarrison-Scottiedogcrafts on YouTube. You need to be registered with NewCraftDay.com, link down below. And then on Friday, if you hear your name announced, you'll need to let me know your email as soon as possible, and then I will send your email address to NewCraftDay. They will check you registered with them and send the gift card to the registered email, as long as it matches to the one that you've sent to me. I hope all that makes sense. Do pop any questions in the comments down below. I've tried to keep it as simple as possible and as fast as possible. And I'm sorry if I've repeated myself several times, but yeah, I want everybody to get involved. Just a thank you from myself for watching my videos and supporting me, and from NewCraftDay for buying their products and watching my videos of their products. Okay, well, that's it for now. As I say, I'm going to get this video edited and up as fast as possible. So I hope you've enjoyed this. If you have, a thumbs up is always very much appreciated. Any comments or questions, as I say, in the comments down below. I will put a copy of like the rules and everything down below as well, if you don't understand what I've said. I know I do rabbit. Yeah, that's just me. And if you want to come back, as I say, join our little family. Even if you don't want to take part in the giveaway, I'd still leave you to come along and subscribe. So if you press that subscribe button down in this corner, an all notifications bell pops up, and you'll be notified when any of my videos come out. So that's all it means. And as I say, it's just joining our little family. We do have quite a bit of fun. We do have a Facebook page as well, if you do want to join along with that. And I will put details on the channel Facebook page as well. So yay, hopefully we'll get lots of entries, and 3 lucky people get a $10 gift card. Yay! So thanks everybody for stopping by. Do take care, and good luck everyone. See you all again soon. Bye for now.